want to end up with a desk job. I didn't want to end up behind a computer designing all day. I wanted to do something different, so I joined the research program. And within that, that's how I got involved working in the composites and advanced materials lab. We work with natural fibers and bio-based resins and compare them to with characteristics of their synthetic counterparts. So specifically what we do is we take natural fibers, a lot of flax, hemp, canaf, different fibers that are grown in the crops around the northern Midwest, and then we apply it with bio-based resins that are made, house-made in the Coatings and Polymeric Materials department here at NDSU, and then we develop them into products. I get to make stuff and then I get to break it, which is just really fun. A lot of people, you create products, but then you can't break it. But that's the sole purpose of what we create, is that we have to break it to make sure that it stands out or that it is superior to its other counterparts and other products. Being hands-on with all of that, I have learned so much more to the field of engineering and the field of science and technology especially. I'm in the labs all the time. I'm dealing with different chemicals or doing multiple different things, researching different aspects, and that's what really intrigued me. So a lot of classroom, I learn a lot of theory and as to why something's gonna work or as to why we do these certain testing standards and different things. But then going into the lab and working hands-on is I get to really test that out and see how it does in the real world and how it applies. One thing that I really noticed about NDSU, which has like solidified why I'm here, and I tell all the incoming freshmen that ask me for advice in the outreach that I do with them, is just to always ask. I never expected to be in the position that I am today, but I went and just asked questions. So I went and asked, oh, can I work with composites lab, or can I do research here? And by asking more and more questions, I got yeses back, which I had no idea I would, or no expectation to get those. But I was willing to get my name out there so then in the future I could ask. But especially with NDSU being a smaller school, we have the abilities, and they have the abilities to provide for us undergrads and be able to do research and a lot of hands-on. So it's just asking and seeing if you can get a yes or not.